Good morning students, welcome to Kundura online classes. Previous classes we can discuss the different cases, different types of permutation. Permutation means arrangement, combination means selection. Here very basic important formula NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. On the basis of that concept, here type 5 problem, type 5 variety problems. Here the formation of numbers with digits. Here digits are given. On the basis of that digits, considering the digits, we can create a formation of numbers with the digits. Here this is the fifth type of problems belonging to permutation concept. Here type 5 formation of numbers with the digits. How can we form formation of numbers by using the digits? Here in this concept we can choose first case number 1. Here when there is no restriction, here suppose restriction there is no restriction. Here when there is no restriction, that is belonging to a type 5 formation of numbers with the digits. Formation of numbers with the digits. There is no when there is no restriction belonging to that concept. Here take one example. How many different 4-digit number can be formed? How many different 4 digits number can be formed using the digits? Here being with the respected any numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we can use these digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here on the basis of this digit, how many 4-digit number can be formed? Here given digits are solution for this one. Given digits that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits are available to make 4-digit number. Here first we choose 4-digit number possible. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here this is a unit place. This is a unit place number. Here this is a 100 place number. So 10 place number. This is a 100 place number. It is a 1000 place number. This is a 1000 place number. Here how many different 4-digit number can be formed using the digits being repeated in any number? That is here first of all 1, 2, there are possibility 7 possibilities there. Here there are 7 numbers are there. There is no repeated. Here there is no repeated. Here 1000 places we can substitute 7 possibility. Here 7 number. Suppose one number we can choose here, then definitely there are 6 possibility are remains. Here 5 and 4. Multiplying 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, we get the number of digit form. 4-digit number are get by using above digits. Here suppose 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits. Here that is here 1, 2. There are available numbers are 7. Here unit place, 10 place and 100 place. There are 7 possibilities are there. Then here one number will be substituted among these, then definitely 6 and definitely 5. Multiplication 7 into 6 into 5, we get 3-digit number can be formed using these digits. Here suppose 5-digit numbers are formed. Here there are 7 possibility, 6 possibility, here 5 possibility, and 4 and 3 possibility. Here these are multiplied, we get 5 number. How many 5 numbers can be formed using these digits? Here suppose there is no restriction. There is no restriction how many numbers are formed. Here there is a non-repeated things are available. Then definitely repeated things are available. Here possibility 7. Here also possibility 7. Here also possibility 7. Here also possibility 7. Here multiplying these number, we get the numbers formed by using that digit. Here in this case also 7 into 7 into 7. Restriction ನಮಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇರದೇ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ here we can choose this number. Here repeatedly it is not possible. Here repeated rotation ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಂತ how many 4-digit number can be formed using these digits? There are 8 possibilities. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there are 8 numbers are available. Here how many 4-digit number can be formed using these digits? Here this is one box. Unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 places. There is no way to substitute 0 here. 0 substitute ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ 8 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 possibility. Here already out of 8 number, 1 number will be substituted here. Then definitely again including 0 there are 7 possibilities there. In 8 numbers we can choose 2 different numbers in 2 different places. Then definitely here 6 possibility are there. Here this is a 5 possibility are there. Here multiplying these numbers we get 4-digit number can be formed using these digits. Here in the same place how many 3-digit number can be formed? Here this is 1, 2. Here we can substitute 7 possibility. Here also 7 possibility. Here 6 possibility. Multiply we get this number. Here type 5, formation of number with digits. Type 5, formation of numbers with digits. Here case 2, numbers divisible by particular numbers are even or odd numbers. Here there are 3 types problems. Here numbers divisible by a particular number are numbers which are divisible by particular number or even number or odd number. Here on the basis of this concept, here choose one example. How many 4-digit even numbers? How many 4-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No digits being repeated. Here consider solution. Here this concept, given digits given digits. Given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here there are 6 numbers are available. Here how many 4 digits number? Here for 4 number digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the unit place. This is the 10 place, 100, 1000 places. How many even numbers can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Even number, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು even number ಅನ್ನಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, here unit place ಒಳಗ even number ಇರಬೇಕು. In these digits there are 3 possibilities, 2, 4 and 6. These 3 possibilities are there. Out of 3 we can choose only one. Here in unit places there are 3 possibilities are available. Here unit places there are 3 possibilities are there. Here unit place ಒಳಗ ನಾವು 3 numbers ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ remain. Here there are 6 possibilities are there. In the 6 numbers already we can substitute one number in unit places. Here then definitely in the 1000 places we can choose only 5 possibilities. Out of 6 we can choose only 5 possibilities. Here there are 6 numbers are there. Out of 6 we can choose 2 numbers. Definitely in 100 places we can choose 4. Out of 6 we can choose 3 numbers. Then definitely here this is the 3. Multiplying these numbers we get a result is a 4-digit even number can be formed by using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, we can choose how many 4 digits odd numbers, for example, odd numbers can be formed from the digit here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No digit being repeated. Definitely here unit places we can choose 3 numbers 1, 3, 5. Here 3, then possibility is 5. Here also 4. Here also 3. That is the same answer we get. Suppose I can repeat it. Here how many 4-digit even number can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there are 6 digits are there. Suppose it is an even number, definitely here unit place acquires even number. Here 6 digits, there are 3 even numbers are there. That's why we can choose there are 3 possibilities are there to substitute in even places. Definitely in out of 6 numbers substitute 1 number from these 3 numbers, then possibility is there to substitute in 1000 places 5. Here this is a 5. Already here also one number we can substitute. Here also one number we can substitute. Definitely there is a 1 possibility. There is a 4 possibility are there. Here 3 possibility are there. Multiplying we get a 4-digit even number formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if no digit being repeated, here we get the result. Suppose no digits are being repeatedly here unit places possibility is 3. Unit places possibility is 3. Out of 3 we can choose one number. Here 6 are available. Here also 6 available. Here also 6 available. Here this is our answer to substitute. No digits are being repeatedly here this is answer. Non-repeatedly here this is our answer.